My name is Olivier Volckart. I'm professor at the Economic History Department. I'm co-teaching the course EH204, Monetary and Financial History, with my colleague Olivier Accominotti. The course concerns monetary and financial history from roughly the 9th century onward to the present European monetary and financial history, with a focus on commodity money, how that developed, how it affected economic behavior, economic development and performance in Europe over this period.
In my view, the most interesting aspect of this course is that students get a very long-term perspective on money and finance. Oliver teaches the first part, which focuses on the Middle Ages and the early modern period, and I take on from him to teach financial developments from the 18th century up to today. And therefore, with these two perspectives, students acquire a long-run and holistic view of money and finance.
Well, what I find exciting about teaching this course is the link to my own research. My focus in my research is on monetary policies in the late Middle Ages, in the early modern period, and there are obviously quite a lot of close links to my research. So we are discussing things like, for example, political instruments like debasement, and we are discussing questions like how does commodity money work in the Middle Ages, in the early modern period, and how do consumers use commodity money? Does the way they use commodity money differ from the way they use commodities? Questions like that.
If you look at the last decade or so, it has been a decade of financial turmoil and crises, but also a period marked by large-scale financial and monetary experiments. And if you try to understand these developments with the perspective of the last 30 years only, it is hard to analyze them because they look unprecedented. However, major financial and monetary disruptions have taken place further back in the past. So knowledge of the long run is essential to think about the right policies to adopt during very turbulent times.